Today I'll be turning this piece of ficus. I'm going to attempt to make a flower flute for my daughter Chuck. We'll see how it turns out. Hope you all enjoy the video.
When I stand a long time, my back hurts.
Well, this is the outcome of the turn. I'm not happy with the shape. It's supposed to be a flower flute, but shit, looks like a bong. I'll need to redeem myself in a future video. Chuck, I hope you like it. It's the best I could do, love. If you made it this far, I appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.